Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you thinking of selling your home? Well, today's video is a definite must watch. I mean, who wouldn't want to get the best bang for their buck, right? With interest rates climbing and everyone being more money conscious these days, big question is, where should you put your hard-earned dollars when it comes to remodeling your home for sale? Well, stick around because we've got the secrets to maximizing your home's resale value that you wouldn't want to miss. Hi, this is Skyrocket, your local realtor here in Indianapolis with another episode of Indy Vibe. So, you've heard the saying you never get a second chance to make a first impression, right? Trust me, it couldn't be more true when it comes to selling your house. The first thing potential buyers see is the exterior. So, let's spruce it up. Landscaping. Plant some flowers, maybe a tree. Get your lawn a nice manicure. Power washing. Clean that dirty siding. It's like giving your house a bath. Fresh paint. A little paint on the trim can go a long way. Driveway and walkway. Cracks or uneven slabs? Time to make repairs. A polished curb appeal doesn't just capture attention, it captures hearts. Alright, moving inside, let's talk kitchens. Now, you don't have to spend your entire life savings on a full-blown kitchen renovation. Instead, let's focus on what I like to call the happy medium. Flooring. Swap out that old linoleum for something slick, like tiles. Hardware and fixtures. Small details like cabinet handles and faucets can really make a difference. Backsplash and countertops. Granite or quartz, especially quartz. Choose something that screams quality. Appliances. New appliances are good, but they don't have to be top of the line. Just make sure that they all match. With just a few changes, your kitchen will be so dazzling that your buyers will already be thinking about where they'll put their coffee maker. Next up, bathrooms. Yes, the bathroom is a sanctuary, and your buyers will be inspecting every inch. So let's create an oasis. Modern fixtures. Swap out that rusty faucet and install a rainfall shower head. Storage. Built-in shelves and cabinets are your friends here. Counters and toilets. Think clean, new, and sleek. When buyers see beautiful bathroom, they think spa day, not to-do list. And that's a selling point. Okay, who doesn't love saving money and the planet? Energy-efficient upgrades are always in demand. Windows. Consider double pane windows that keep the house cozy. Insulation. Beef it up for better temperature control. Appliances. Energy-saving models can also save your sale. Water heater. If it's old, replace it with a tankless one if possible. You'll be pulling at the heartstrings of eco-conscious buyers while adding serious resale value. Paint and flooring are like the cherry on top. Go for neutral colors or whatever is the trending color for the walls. For floors, quality hardwood can make your house stand out like a shining star. If you're in a tight budget though, vinyl planks, the luxury kind, should work just as well. And finally, last but not the least, tech it out. Add smart thermostats, lighting, security features, and if you can install an electric vehicle charging station, well, they can actually boost your home's value by up to 13%. How cool is that? Well, there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to getting top dollar for your home by making smart renovation choices. If you're still unsure, consider speaking to a real estate professional for more tailored advice. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips. Until next time, happy renovating. And of course, if you're thinking of moving to Indianapolis, please don't hesitate to reach out. I got my contact information down below. I get emails, texts, calls from folks all over looking to move to Indianapolis, and I am so excited to help you. So don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, bye.